Hello everyone, hello Web3 tribe. Today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto in a few simple steps. The first thing that you need is to have a crypto account and have a Binance account because we are going to use Binance on desktop for this tutorial. The validation that you need to go through after creating a Binance account is very simple. Know your customer process that is used in almost every single financial app in the world. So don't worry about that. The next step that you need to proceed with is to actually click on the login page, and this will take you here. From here, if you have the app already installed on your phone, you can just scan the QR code for an immediate login to your account. After logging in into your account, you will be now able to see how many crypto you own. So as you know, since you're watching this tutorial, you probably don't have any crypto. So the first step to buy crypto, that is the most easy way for me personally, is buying crypto through credit or debit card. This is very intuitive, this is very easy process, and it takes only a few clicks. So first you go on buy crypto, click on credit debit card, and proceed on the other page. And on this page, all you need to do is choose the currency that is in your bank account and turn it into crypto of your choice. In my bank account, most of the currencies are in Bulgarian lev. So if you have dollars, you will need to change it to dollars. And right now, the minimum amount that you can change and exchange is $15. Let's say you select 15 and you can see how many and how much Bitcoin you are going to receive for $15 at the moment. This estimated price for what Bitcoin is how it's determined how many Bitcoins you are going to receive, and it changes all the time. You can also change the cryptocurrency that you want to buy from here and even search for different cryptocurrencies that you like. Right now, you can even sort them by hot, 24-hour volume, change, decreasing, increasing. You can also sell from here. You click on continue and you need to confirm your bank card in order to do and purchase the Bitcoin.